What if we could travel through time, go back to yesterday, fix a mistake, or jump into the future and find out where we're headed? Time controls us. It ticks, it flows, it disappears. But what if it could be the other way around? What if we could bend time, stop it, skip it? Time travel isn't just science fiction. It's a fascinating possibility that teeters between a dream, a science, and a nightmare. And today we're going to dive into it. Imagine being able to change a single moment, save someone you love, or choose a different path in life, and see how it would turn out. Time travel would give us the power to change destinies, explore history firsthand, and know the future before it comes. We can correct the mistakes we regret or prepare for the challenges that await us. It is a path to knowledge and a second chance at happiness. But at the same time, it is a huge responsibility because even the smallest change can rewrite the entire world. Imagine going back in time. You change one tiny detail, a word you say, a step you take. It seems like a small thing, but then everything starts to change. The people you know are suddenly different. Places look different. History as you know it falls apart. The thing you wanted to fix has set off a chain of new events. New problems, new dangers appear somewhere else. Scientists call this phenomenon the grandfather paradox, when you change the past so much that you could never have existed. Time travel isn't just a game with time, it's a game with the entire universe. Traveling back in time has fascinated mankind for centuries. But what does science have to say about it? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is complex and intertwined with space. There are theories about wormholes, hypothetical shortcuts in space-time that could allow us to travel back in time. But it's not all that simple. Traveling back in time can create paradoxes and disrupt the present. Some scientists argue that the past is fixed and unchangeable, and that any attempt to change it would be futile. Others believe that any change creates an alternate universe where history unfolds differently. So, can we really travel back in time? We don't know the answer yet, but the journey to knowledge is just beginning. Traveling into the future is something that science has already confirmed, not necessarily through time machines, but through the very nature of time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time flows differently, faster or slower, depending on speed and gravity. Astronauts in orbit age slightly slower than people on Earth. This means that traveling into the future is possible. You just have to move fast enough or be near a strong gravitational field. However, the future remains unknown and open. No one knows exactly what awaits us, but we can at least partially glimpse it. So traveling into the future is not science fiction, but a scientific phenomenon. Did you know that we can already travel into the future? All you have to do is get close to the speed of light or be in a strong gravitational field. There are theories that say that time doesn't have to be linear. Perhaps there are parallel universes where every decision creates a new reality. Some physicists also speculate about wormholes that could connect different time locations. And the grandfather paradox? This is a thought experiment that shows how difficult and dangerous it could be to change the past. Time travel is so mysterious that it continues to teach us how small we are in the infinite space and time. First, energy. Opening a passage through time, perhaps through a wormhole, would require a huge amount of energy, perhaps more than our sun radiates in its entire lifetime. Then there's the problem of stability. Wormholes could be unstable and instantly collapse before anything could pass through them. Another obstacle is paradoxical situations that could threaten the very fabric of time and space. Moreover, we still have no practical way to control where and when we should return. Current technology is simply in its infancy. The theories are fascinating, but the road to actual time travel is still very long. But science is still advancing. Perhaps one day we will overcome even the greatest limits. Time travel is a fascinating topic full of mysteries, challenges, and endless possibilities. Whether science ever allows for real-time travel or it remains just a dream, imagination will always drive us forward. What would you do if you could travel through time, change the past, or see the future? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on more videos full of interesting topics. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.